Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make salad sprinkles with juice pulp. Now this is the pulp from 5 pounds of carrots, about a half a bunch of celery, and 6 Granny Smith apples. And I just finished juicing, so it's ready to go. I'm just giving it a quick stir here for whatever, just to help blend it up just a little bit more. I'm not going to do anything special with it. I'm not going to run it through a food processor or anything like that. I don't need to, really. Okay, and so now I'm going to use my fruit leather trays. Obviously this stuff is very fine, and so you just need to do that. And all I'm doing is just spreading this out on the tray, and then we're going to dry it however long it takes. I'm going to set the dryer, dehydrator, for 115 degrees just to keep it raw. And this is going to be enough to make 1 quart of salad sprinkles. Now you notice I didn't put anything in this. You are free to add whatever seasoning you want. I mean, the sky is the limit. It's just a matter of what you like and your imagination, really. I like it plain because I just figure I'm adding more carrots and things like that, whatever's in the pulp here, to my salad. And we make a big salad every day. So I just take a little bit of the dried pulp every day and sprinkle it on top of my salad. Now you see it's not an overly thin layer here, but it sure is going to dehydrate down to very, very thin. There we go. Now you can see it. And I'm just going to put it on my tray, and I'll fill up the rest of the trays and get back with you. Now that took up 4.5 trays in my Nesco dehydrator, and I will get back with you and let you know how long it takes to dry that at 115 degrees. In the meantime, I like to use this stuff all the time, so I already have some on hand, and this was the same thing: carrot, celery, and apple. And you see I just keep it in a mason jar, and that amount will fill a quart-sized mason jar. I don't bother vacuum sealing it because I'm into it every day, but I will show you what I do here. There is an oxygen absorber that I keep in there, and when I go to use some, I just take a tablespoon and work around the oxygen absorber and just take out what I need and sprinkle it on our salads. And it adds a little bit of extra crunch, a little bit of extra fiber into our meal, and a little bit of carrot essence as well. My salad sprinkles are dry. You can hear that they're very crunchy. It took about 18 hours, and that's really, it was at the lower temperature, and it also involved overnight. They may have been done sooner than that, but anyway, that's how long they were in the dehydrator. I'm going to crumble all these up, and they will all fit in 1 quart-sized jar. I'm going to add an oxygen absorber to it, and this time I'm going to vacuum seal it because it's going to be a little while before I use it, since I have the other jar that I'm working on. And again, this is wonderful to me, just to sprinkle on my salads, just plain. You can flavor it up any way you want. I would suggest you flavor it before you dry it. I hope you give this a try sometime. It's really an easy thing to do, and another way to use up that vegetable pulp. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Have a great day.